Hi, Mao here and welcome back. This video is about the Boxplot applet, which is another way of visualizing one quantitative variable. In this video, we'll explore the features of this applet and different ways of using the applet to investigate concepts such as percentiles and skewness. I hope that the Boxplot applet is useful in your curriculum. The applet is available at this link, mih5.github.io/statapps. If you click the link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You can find the applet here. Here we have two plots, each of them displaying graphics from two different distributions. Each plot displays a histogram and a boxplot. A boxplot is another way of visualizing one quantitative variable. It quickly summarizes the shape of a distribution, as well as the median, first quartile, third quartile, and outliers. At the bottom, you can select different distributions from which to sample values. The histograms and boxplots are automatically updated when you resample values. You can hover your mouse over the plots or touch the plot to shade in part of the histogram. This display here tells you how much of the histogram you've shaded. This tool can be used to easily explain what the quartiles of the distribution mean. For example, if you hover your mouse over the first quartile, you shaded approximately 25% of the distribution. Over the median, you shaded approximately 50%. And over the third quartile, you shaded approximately 75%. This works for distributions that don't look bell-shaped too. About 25%, about 50%, and about 75%. You can see clearly here how the boxplot summarizes the shape of the distribution. We have different names for the shapes of a distribution. This applet offers an easy way of comparing two distributions and how they're visualized with a histogram and a boxplot. For example, many distributions have what's known as a normal or bell shape. A bell-shaped distribution is symmetric around its mean and has tails that are about the same length. However, a distribution that is right-skewed is not symmetric and has a longer right tail than left tail. As you can see, we also have outliers on the right side of this right-skewed distribution. In addition, the whiskers of this boxplot are not symmetric, unlike the whiskers on the bell-shaped distribution. Similarly, we have left-skewed distributions that are basically the same as right-skewed, except everything goes in the other way. Finally, we have distributions that are bimodal. These distributions have two local modes, or local maxima. Let me resample some different bimodal distributions. Do you think the median is a good description of the center of this distribution? So to summarize, we went over the parts of a boxplot, including the quartiles and outliers. And we also talked about the shapes of distributions, such as a normal or bell shape, right and left skewed, and bimodal distributions. I hope you enjoyed this short video and find a way to use this applet in your curriculum. If you have any comments about the applet, please let me know at mao.hu@duke.edu. Hope to see you next time.